Hughes. Bil dda. Williams yn aros amdani a na'r ergyd. 12 o goliau tymor hyn yn barod. Blaenor mawr. A mae Howard yn mynd i fachu hon i'r canol. Sutton yr peniad. Mae'n Lletwydd. A Bale mewn i gefn y rwyd gan Johnny Evans! Mae Bale yn ddigon syml i'r canol. Ond yn ddigon effeithiol, pwysau ar amddiffynwr yn methu penio'r Bale na i ffwr. A Johnny Evans unwaith eto yn ddigon effro i ddwy'n gôl. Munud ar ôl y gôl, mae'n y gyfle i'r ymwelwyr neu rhywbeth tebyg. Sears sydd ar tafliad hir y tro yma. Yn fflat, mae'n Lletwydd, y peniad gan amddiffynwr, mae'n gret. A mae'n gefn y rwyd, mae'n 1-1. Kieran Mills Evans yn dathlu. A dyna sy'n ysgori lawr y goedlan y parc. A Mills Evans yn cefnwr canol mawr y tro yma. I gôl gynta tymor hyn, mae'n gôl bwysig yn unioni'r sgôr. Sutton yn methu'r peniad. Mae'n ddigon o le fan hyn i Mills Evans! Yr ergyd yn ffyrnig tua'r postyn pella. Troed yr amddiffynwr yn y ffordd. Mae Jones. Robles ar flic. Y Bale dal yn rhydd. O, di gasgu mewn. Mae'n gôl! Mills Evans sy'n dathlu eto i ail o'r prynhawn i ail yn yr hanner cynta ac ail y Drenewydd. Safon ddim yn uchel, ond naill dim ond mae'r Bale hyn di canfod Evans! Wel am gyfle, yn ddigon syml yn y pen draw. Bale dros ben yr amddiffyn, a Johnny Evans yn fwy cyflym nag unrhyw un. Williams. Chydig bach o le i Jones i danio. Yr arbediad yn un pwysig, yn un cadar ac yn un da.
We were on top, I think. It was coming, and when we did get it, it's just settle ourselves down to go the next 5 minutes and then look to go again. And like I say, we went to 1-1, we got the second goal, which it was a good goal, there's no doubt about it, but it doesn't go away, so we go again. Said the lads after, we can't keep giving them 1 or 2 goals just to get a head start. We've gone 5 in a row here winning, and now that's come to an end. So the reality is now we go there and we have to start picking up more points away from home, which we haven't done.
Chris Hughes, comfortable 2-1 victory, or was it harder than it looked?
It certainly wasn't comfortable, by no means, no. It didn't feel comfortable on the side either. Look, the conditions made it very difficult, although both teams. I thought there was lots of endeavour in the game and lots of grit. I didn't think there was a great deal of quality, but look, especially on our part. But you know, it was good response for us from Thursday. We were really flat Thursday night. I think everyone was disappointed. You know, we've been on a good run, and you know, we didn't perform. And you know, listen, today sometimes you've got to roll your sleeves up in football and dig in and get the 3 points, and that's what we've done.